Hello, David here, and the project for today is changing the air filter on a 2015 Honda Fit. And you'll find the air filter box right over there. Let's get started. Okay, the part I'm using is going to be a Wix number WA10212. You could save quite a bit of money by changing the filter yourself. These filters run anywhere from $8 to $18. Dealer wants $54 to put it in for you. Let's undo these clips. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side. Kind of lift up from the back and then slide it out of this hose like that. You don't have to remove it. Pull the old filter out. Come on, Daddy. Let's go, you varmint. There we go. Look how dirty that is. I don't know if you could see that. For the new one, make sure the new one is the same item. Looks the same to me. Ah, made in Korea. I didn't see where this tab came out. I wonder if this tab goes to the driver's side to help remove. You see there is a little notch in there. That's probably where the tab goes. Okay, and that notch in the housing is for this tab. Now I can put the housing back into the hose. Make sure the top fits on the box before you start clamping, because you could break these plastic clips. I'm going to put these clips back in. Okay, I had that upside down. Get it in like that. There we go. We're good to go. Don't forget to update your logbook, date, mileage, and operation. Thanks for watching. If you like these videos, remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye now.